Hello everybody, this is Yuka. Today I like to introduce the 7 vegan keto essentials I always like to carry. So, a lot of people think I'm crazy doing vegan keto diet. It is possible, and if you think you can't eat so many things, that make you harder to do it. If you think this way, like, I don't have to buy a lot of things. I only can buy this and everything's all good. That makes me feel so much better. I like to think the positive way. I don't have to buy a lot of things and cooking's really easy and simple. So that makes me feel a lot easier to do this vegan keto diet. Anyways, this is the video for people are doing vegan keto diet or wants to do vegan keto diet. So the number 1 is avocado. This is really popular for regular ketogenic diet people, and so is vegan keto diet too. And avocado is really filling, and it has potassium and a lot of good healthy fat. Just eating avocado itself or putting in a salad is really great too. So I always like to carry avocado myself. And number 2 is tofu. A lot of people think tofu is soy and soy is bad for you. I like to make another video to discuss about this because since I got diagnosed for breast cancer, I have been doing a lot of research and it came out to the soy is fine, and actually soy is great for preventing breast cancer. So do not get the GMO, and then I think it's tofu or the soy are the great protein for the vegan diet, and then as well as the vegan keto diet too. So I always like to stock a couple tofu in my refrigerator. Number 3 is nuts. So probably all the regular vegan diets is all fine no matter what kind of nuts you can have. For the keto vegan diet, it's a little different. I usually like to have almond and walnut. I like to have those 2 nuts all the time with me. So it's really easy to snack whenever you're hungry, and it's great for the salad. What kind of nuts you can eat for vegan keto? Web research, it says almond, Brazil nuts, and hazelnuts, and macadamia nuts, pecans, and peanuts, and pine nuts, and walnuts. And things you want to avoid has higher carbs. Something like cashew or chestnuts or pistachio, those has higher carbs. And number 4 is coconut oil. These are really common things for ketogenic diet. Because we don't eat the regular butter, coconut oil is the most important fat that we can take. It's also healthy for you too. A lot of times I actually like to use coconut oil with stir fry and everything because I like the little flavor of coconuts. Some people might not like it. I like to do intermittent fasting in the morning. So when I do that, I cannot drink coffee, but I drink fake coffee or the black tea or the green tea matcha with coconut oil mixed together. It doesn't really taste bad at all. I think it just tastes fine. Number 5 is nutritious yeast. So being vegan, we don't eat the cheese, but the nutritious yeast is really great for cheese substitute. I always like to put them on top of the salad, and it's really tasty. And also nutritious yeast has a lot of vitamin B complex, B2 or B12, and it's really good for you. Because of vegan diet, it's hard to have a B12. So the nutritious yeast is a great source of taking a B12. And number 6 is, I would say, broccoli. I really like broccoli. I like to carry them in frozen one and fresh one just in case, both at the same time. You can just steam them and eat as a snack or like side of a meal. I did not grow up with the raw broccoli myself, so I like to cook broccoli before I eat. And number 7 is nut butter. Sometimes I don't eat enough fat. I get really hungry, and then I get kind of crazy. So I just eat the peanut butter or almond butter. So I always like to carry almond butter and peanut butter and kind of switch around. There are hazelnut butter, pecan butter, and sunflower seed butter. According to internet, those are the keto-friendly butter too. So if you like to have those butter, you can have that too. As far as I'm doing keto vegan diet, my head is really clear and it's easy to lose weight. I'm not the perfect person. unfortunately fail a lot of times. But the important thing is go back to where you were. So even you mess it up, to go back to the keto vegan diet. I think that's the most important if you want to do vegan keto diet. So that's that. For conclusion, my 7 essentials for keto vegan diet are avocado, tofu, nuts, and coconut oil, nutritious yeast, broccoli, and nut butter. Alrighty, please tell me what you like to carry for doing keto vegan diet. I would love to hear from you. And please subscribe this channel. I'll put some more information, vegan keto recipes, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.